Hyundai HEC6 Neptune is a concept semi-truck that runs on hydrogen, launched by Hyundai in 2019. The HEC6 Neptune concept shows Hyundai's vision for the future of commercial vehicles, especially in the long-haul trucking industry. The HEC6 Neptune concept is designed to display Hyundai's fuel cell technology and their dedication to creating eco-friendly transportation solutions. It has a futuristic and sleek design inspired by the Art Deco era, with a unique grille and smooth aerodynamic lines. One of the main features of the HEC6 Neptune is its hydrogen fuel cell powertrain. Instead of using conventional internal combustion engines, the truck is powered by electric motors that are fueled by a hydrogen fuel cell system. This means that the truck only emits water vapor as a waste product, making it a zero-emission vehicle. The VARIO Signature 1200 is a luxury motorhome made by VARIO, a German maker of custom-built motorhomes and mobile homes. The Signature 1200 is one of their top models and is famous for its high-end features, luxurious amenities, and spacious interior. The motorhome has a lot of interior space, giving you a cozy and luxurious living environment. It usually has a big living area, a well-furnished kitchen, a bathroom with shower facilities, and a separate bedroom. An RV is your home on wheels, and the VARIO Perfect 1200 Platinum will be perfect for those who want to enjoy luxury. This motorhome not only has furniture like a high-end hotel suite, but it can also store a car, such as the Mercedes-AMG. Adventure travel trailers are the ideal way to see the country. You can load up your belongings and hit the open road, stopping wherever and whenever you want. However, conventional RVs can be hard to take off the main road. That's where an off-road RV comes in handy. An OVR is made to handle rough terrain, giving you the freedom to explore even the most secluded locations. RVing is a wonderful way to travel the country and see new places, but it can be challenging to find an RV that has enough space for your whole family. That's why we're excited to offer our roomy OVR line of RVs, which has enough space for everyone to unwind and relax. Our RV has a big living area, a well-furnished kitchen, and a cozy bedroom that will make you feel at home on the road. A company that is an expert in making advanced expedition vehicles has created Azimoo Tepui, an off-road box truck camper that lets you travel to the most faraway and tough corners of the world in total comfort. As a Azimoo Tepui can have almost all amenities you would want during camping or other nomadic adventures. This is also true for the Azimoo Tepui, which has, in just 108 square feet, 10 square meters of livable space, a living area with a sitting room and kitchen, and a more private space at the back of the truck with the bedroom and the bathroom. There is also a lot of room to move around for the inhabitants. It can easily fit 2 people, with the option of making a sleeping space for guests as well. Welcome to this STX Living trailer, where luxury meets practicality for your travel escapades. This trailer is crafted with the finest materials and cutting-edge features, giving you a cozy and classy living space with various options to customize. You can design a chic and convenient environment that matches your taste. The trailer has a smart climate control system that lets you set the temperature and keep a comfortable environment throughout your trip. Whether it's hot or cold outside, you can enjoy a perfect ambience inside the trailer that fits your mood. Sleek, sturdy, and smart, this STX Groom Suite will impress you with its many benefits. The cozy living area and the handy kitchen and bathroom facilities will make this unique trailer your ideal travel partner. STX Motorhome is the expert in custom builds for various professions, such as cycling and motorsports. They can create one or more tailor-made motorhomes that fit your requirements or your team's specifications. With its eye-catching design and sleek look, The STX 3 Pop-outs Motorhome will be your new best friend on the road. 3 pop-outs create a very spacious and stunning interior space. The bedroom and living area offer a high level of luxury in this remarkable vehicle, while premium finishes and a touch of elegance make it stand out in its class. Built for the ultimate comfort seeker, this model features 3 large pop-outs with a huge cozy living space, a fully furnished kitchen, and a lovely bathroom. This model also has a large exterior storage that can store scooters, quad bikes, and even more toys. The new Newell model is the 2020 Newell Coach P50. These coaches have a hefty price tag of over $2 million. The high cost comes with a motorhome that looks amazing, has ample space, and is loaded with the newest and best technology. There are 5 televisions in this one coach, 3 in the front of the salon, 1 in the bedroom, and 1 outside. Plus, there is a full-size bathroom in the master bedroom and a half bath in the center of the coach. The P50 also has the 360 camera system and a total vision camera system. This coach also boasts quartz countertops throughout, push-button start, luxury leather seating, tire pressure monitoring system, and a VIP smart wheel with power tilt and telescope adjustment. And to top it all off, it's a 45 quad slide motorhome. The VARIO Alkoven 1200 is a luxury motorhome. The Alkoven 1200 is famous for its roomy and flexible design, offering a high degree of customization and luxurious amenities. The Alkoven 1200 is built on a heavy-duty chassis and often has an integrated steel frame construction. This gives a solid base for the motorhome and ensures reliability and stability on the road. The Alkoven 1200 has a roomy and luxurious living environment. The motorhome usually has a cozy lounge area, a fully furnished kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, and a bedroom with a fixed or adjustable bed. One of the remarkable features of the Alkoven 1200 is its flexibility. The motorhome can be customized with various options to suit different needs, such as a garage for storing a car or other recreational equipment. The Centurion 1200 is a roomy and upscale RV made for long-haul travel and cozy living on the road. It has a big interior space with various amenities and lavish finishes. The Centurion 1200 can fit multiple people for sleeping. It usually has a cozy bedroom area with a big bed, storage cabinets, and extra sleeping options like foldable sofas or bunk beds. The Centurion 1200 has plenty of space for lounging, dining, and relaxing. It usually has comfy seating, a dining table, and entertainment systems. The RV has a fully working kitchen that has a stove, refrigerator, sink, and storage for utensils and cookware. There is a private bathroom with a toilet, sink, and shower. Some models may also have a separate shower enclosure. The Winnebago Forza is a motorhome model that combines luxury, comfort, and performance. It is built on a Freightliner XES chassis and runs on a Cummins diesel engine. The Forza has several different floor plans, letting customers pick the layout that fits their needs. The Forza can fit anywhere from 4 to 6 people. It usually has a cozy master bedroom, a foldable sofa, and a dinette or theater seating. The motorhome usually has a fully furnished kitchen with a refrigerator, microwave, stove, and sink. The Forza normally has a private bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. The motorhome has plenty of storage options, including cabinets, closets, and exterior compartments, letting you bring along your belongings.